Afternoon viewers, I'm out again today, new location. If you know where I live then you might know where this place is. I found a few things already, it hasn't been really productive today. Found this scooter still with the trick nuts on it. So I'm going to take that home I think and get a jet wash, see what it looks like for a change. Frankie's still ploughing away. Here's what we've found so far. A fence post, a wheel still inside the rim but no spokes. I don't know what that's off. Bike, some bike cogs probably off this bike. And then some sort of support rod, and then another few bits there. Even a spam tin with the spam still in it. I bet that's the first for magnet fishing. Microwave door. A long metal piece of frame. And this, well, it's a bit slimy, so this piece of rope here, or washing line, looks like someone's had a go in magnet fishing. So no wonder they've chucked that away. But anyway, we'll have a couple more hours and move on a bit. I had to find my way onto here because I couldn't find the car park, but the car park's over there, so we're going to have a walk around there, see if anyone's chucked anything in. There's some nice stone steps over there, so we'll get back to you in a bit. Peace out. So I've moved on to another bit of the pond. Frankie's still at it like a raging rabbit. And I'll show you what I've found at this bit. I found this old bike. It says Universal on it, so anyone can ride it. It's got a old school yellow wheel, tyre, sorry. I found 5p. A spinner, part of a spinner. A spinner, some scissors, and a butter knife. So, sorry it's not like one continuous video. My battery on my GoPro's nearly gone, and I forgot to bring my power bank. But I just want to say once again, thanks to my new subscribers. I've hit over 2,000 now, so much love for that. I hope you enjoy my videos when I get to do them, due to work and other reasons. Bought a car the other week, first car, passed my test, and then that broke, so I had to get that fixed. So I had time to do now. So I'll move around and then we'll get back on video to see what I found. So we've come back up to the car. It weren't really a productive day there today, so we're going to go home now, enjoy the rest of the day, find somewhere else to go on my next 4 days off. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Peace out.